He's doing ASMR, not me.
Yeah, small bit.
Oh, shoot, babe. Take him out of the box or whatever it's in there.
Actually, I want to do a mukbang instead of ASMR. I'm going to do a mukbang.
What's that?
The same as ASMR, but don't do ASMR. Like,
Oh, it's hot.
the bomb.
So we see how big I can mark that.
Oh, really?
I'll probably wear that today.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, go on there.
Is it yum? Holy pig. No, that's not it.
Oh,
You say colicky?
No. I mean, well, we're doing a Today we're doing a mukbang.
Mukbang.
So do you know what that is? A bun.
You like it, baby? You
this is
like
actually on YouTube there. Yeah. It's YouTube. Straight up, it's YouTube.
Inches free.
Oh. Now what is that good? This is pretty yum. I'm gonna have some more.
Oh, that's one.
Are you gonna go and find out?
Mom, we're doing a mukbang.
You have a YouTube channel?
Oh, you can make one.
Did you make one?
Yeah. That's easy.
Yeah.
Is it a it?
We've done no boxing
You
too.
know if you make like you gotta make I think more than four videos.
Yeah.
You gotta make about 2 minutes long and
He already made it.
Oh.
but you don't do much then.
Did you done?
I've only done this is my first one.
No. What about this one's up here?
People
I
like to
didn't want
watch
to do that, so I didn't want to play it.
who they watch.
Yeah?
I got the big box.
Oh, yeah. Okay, a little bit.
A lot of people getting them to watch other people.
Not really sure.
Where's the cat?
Oh, Jim, B.
Oh, no, using the boot.
No?
B.
Yes, I'll put it my baby.
In our bed?
No,
In the bathroom.
Oh.
No, in their bed.
yeah, no, but, oh, no, I'll give it to baby.
No, you didn't. I gave that king for eating.
Did you have a long run today? You want to go home, eh?
Here goes shop.
Oh, I didn't know, mate. I thought I was going to stay with Diddy.
He should have played touch, but he didn't.
As well.
But I was just going to go like
He was going to play touch, but got too strong.
He's done what I mean, try it
You're
out.
being too
Oh,
loud.
that's all. Eh?
And a stick in your toe.
Eh? Yeah.
You got this mean black one too.
Me, but they said I didn't get it.
I'm sure you didn't.
Oh.
Yeah, but I got one try, at least, out of the adults.
That's how you play some?
They just paid four, like the four to the wins, and four to the wins.
Oh, yeah.
I stayed on for like
Ages.
8 years. Because our team was a bomb. It's my dad too. But dad can't see it once.
You know, but they wouldn't try. They must try the way.
I think 2 or 3. I need a little bit more
You
here.
do your scoops out, baby. You should just
he gone?
Always
I'll catch him
find
easy.
people where the girls are too.
There's no girls.
I'm talking about Dad will touch outside.
Oh.
You see that thing I tagged you in? Or,
Hang on, one more there. Look on.
that move they did for the baby? Me.
I got a leader.
Play ball.
Did it 5 minutes or?
Now we're gonna action.
She acts like she's gonna touch it and, you know, do her thing.
Oh, she took that
But
on
she
the
passed it under her leg.
You done there?
That was Brian. Yeah.
Look. Have a look. She tucks it under your leg. See if she gets a touch.
Yeah, can I have a look?
Yeah, the precious leg.
Hold on, let me go. I'm gonna get some paper towels.
What's that thing?
Yeah, I'm gonna see.
Hey? Yeah.
Well, we pulled up.
Yeah, hello.
Next time I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, TJ and
Oh, you got real dough now, baby.
Mom. Like, before anything, I don't know what the YouTube is.
Oh,
Yeah,
you're gonna play rugby this year, eh, baby?
it's gonna be
I'm
rugby.
gonna get you rugby shoes.
Yeah, I'll play rugby.
you give you a chance to look for it.
Dad, where's my eye, sir? My
You
eye.
play this year, my boy. Please.
Lucky the most.
No, my big brother's gonna be good. Play it on. Dad.
First one people in for the YouTuber.
I'm another one. Want another one?
Yes.
Have you seen him have a race with hooks? Hey, our son. He can keep up with hooks, eh? Like, right by him.
Dad, it's his birthday.
Races
Say
and
breakfast, Dad. Say breakfast.
I'm sure he was winning.
We'll give me some more.
Oh, this is really fast.
But baby, in one race, I have one, and then I speak to the boys, and then we Dad.
What are you
Me was on that boy, and they tracked him for me, and then they cut my leg, and then I tracked him for him, and then I run around this, and then I like that, and then I run this place, then I run that, then for the rugby, then.
have that top cheese part if you don't want?
Then.
We have been late, don't
Okay.
know. Blue colour. Won't stink ass. You just bump me. Why didn't you just bump me having the plate? Colour always bumps there. Even under the blanket in bed.
He doesn't stink caca.
Oh, he's a climber.
Dad, you say that when I make it and it's so good for me, then you may
He
not
does
be
them.
there.
He does them. He's in the toys for like 10.
I'm gonna go get another flight.
Singing. Hanging around there.
I'm good at this one.
In the
But
toilet.
in the singing, I want
In the toilet there.
to go with her. For your
In the golden. Top one there.
so good, mother.
It's mommy's not allowed to talk. God, I think we should stop
Everybody
it.
seen that bush we raised?
Not this one. This
Yeah,
one.
when we had no nothing to eat, we just eat our bush in the
Mom,
tent. Just chucked them on the barbecue.
Mom, you're just stealing my stuff.
Come on, baby. To make a mama?
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Oh,
Actually, it's a lot of dishes that you have to use a pot for.
hey, what?
That, and then you're going to use a fucking strainer, then you're going to
Oh,
put all the stuff into, cook it all, you know,
The power
the
stand.
onion in there.
10 minutes
pour
already.
it into that dish. Strainer.
you two are?
Do a new one now.
Why?
Do a part 2.
I need to do that on TikTok.
Part 2. Get all thing.
Sit down. Hey, sit down. Come on. Oh, my stomach swollen. I'm going to get a tape.
Cara, can I stop it? My stomach's getting full.
Come, look at the video.
I just remember my grandfather was in here.
You don't want to buy?
This way.
Yes, please,
No.
Daddy.
I just need to do them. Kathmandu. Shout out to Kathmandu.
My darling, if you want more, eat those ones.
Shout out to Nike.
Where's my one?
Yeah.
Shout out to Nike, boy.
That's mine.
Can I drink?
That's mine eating.
No, that's mine.
What's that?
That's mine.
That's mine.
Stop sitting on me.
What's the drink?
Mom,
Because you,
I'm a play.
No.
Flea.
Got a killer.
Flea. Flea.